Maria, I just... Now we're going... Maria... Yeah, you've got to have your wits about, yeah. Sitting there sleeping in your car. Oh, what the hell. Maria... Our culture has been decimated by numpties. So I'm on mode now, so I get back to my normal self. It's being dismantled in front of us. Which way do you want to go? We'll just pull over here. Pull over behind a learner driver, is that wise? Maybe we might not go that way then, since there's a learner driver going that way. See, sometimes you've got to make these decisions, you know.